Hello, responsible day traders. Welcome to Monday. Today is Monday, August 17th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. Today is the first day of school for my children. It's the online schooling. Things are going to get weird. I know Wednesday morning I will not be able to trade because I'm going to have my son use my computer downstairs. There's just going to be some adjustments we're all going to have to learn to deal with. It's not going to be the end of the world. It's just going to be a change. With that bit of a change this morning, I may have been a little distracted. We just had someone show up because we have a leak in the ceiling, and I have my first physical therapy appointment today, which I'm super excited about. I put a tennis shoe on for the first time yesterday. I've been reaching some goals that I've been really looking to reach, so I'm feeling pretty great about it. Speaking of reaching goals, today wasn't exactly a write home to mom about trades day. They're not all going to be great. So let's go and check it out. There she goes. I took 2 trades. I only got 4.25 points. None of them reached my 2-point target. I moved my risk quickly on both of these. Why would I move my risk quickly? Well, we were coming into areas that could create bounces, and I just was feeling a little uncomfortable about the high. Now, we did exceed today's high by a tick. So we have exceeded the all-time high by 1 tick. I sat here for an hour and a half to get those trades. Okay, I'm okay with it. It was slow. It was like watching paint dry, so we're good. So we had class this weekend. It went really, really well. We had a couple of visitors in the class, which was awesome to have. Next class we're going to have is actually going to be going through one of my students' trades. So we're going to spend the time kind of doing a one-on-one so everybody can participate in that. She can give some outlook on the way that she trades, her thought processes, so we can all see how everybody thinks just a little bit differently, but can still have an amazing outcome. Don't forget, the rest of this month, we're having a 25% off lifetime discount for you profit trader. Guys, that's going to wrap it up. I've got someone downstairs that's looking at a leak right now. Got the AC dude coming today, and I'm going to meet with my physical therapist for our first meeting today. So I'm excited about that. I am ready to run. I want to get moving. I want to get healthy. I want to do everything I can so we can spend more time together. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap that up. I'm going to let you watch the video, see how these trades went. But if you got questions, please let me know. Hit me up at Lindsay, Lindsay, at responsibledaytrading.com, or you can hit us up at info@responsibledaytrading.com, and we'll be happy to help you out. Otherwise, enjoy the show. Good morning, responsible day traders. Let's go ahead and check this out. So, so far this morning, the market's only been open for 6 minutes. It already looks like it's trying to push past that high. We may see these white BBs still continue up a little bit more before it pulls back. Maybe pull up here, make a reversal bar a little bit higher than the latest high, since we have made new highs. Our last high was this line. Our newest high is right here. So it's not a big difference, but it is a new high. We can see right here where the previous high was. Really, all the closes were back around here. So that was that last little reach out and attempt at pushing it higher. So we're going to see what's going to happen here. We do have divergence. We do have white BBs. This could be a signal for a pullback into the area. I'd love to see this EMA pull up just a little bit more, and then the pullback happen to here, and then continuation to the upside. So that would be an amazing thing to see. I think we're going to get a little bit deeper push down here. Let's see if I can't grab this at the 4 tick mark. It's got good pop back ability. I'm going to go ahead. You know what? I'm going to hit close on this one. I'm going to tell you why. We're pulling back into this area that could create a bounce right back towards the area where I've got my, where I had my risk sitting. We are still in a move to the upside, so have to be aware of that. I'm going to give this one a chance if it'll pick me up. There we go. Nice little pullback. No reaction so far. Now this may roll off of here and pull back still and pull back deeper, maybe even right into here. We're going to go with a +1 as it's not popping through here. I'm going to take a 1.25 and leave that at a +1 if it pulls back. I actually think I'm going to hit close here in a second. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and close with this just pulling down a little bit deeper and stronger after coming off of a divergence. It doesn't say that it won't continue up, but we have a chance of it pulling down a little bit further. So as we're reaching that, this is exactly what I've been anticipating. I think I've lost all of my interest in today. There hasn't been very much. Let's bring it up. So we got 4.25. First one was 2 points, 1.25, and a point. It's not much. I'm laughing, but you know what? I have to be proud of that because there are times that I would have allowed this to come back. So we're going to do plus 2.0. And just really eat my lunch. Now, if I'd have left this at a break even here, or if I'd have left this at a break even here, either way it would have touched me. If I'd have left this at its proper spot, this would have continued down. Same here. I just wasn't feeling it, y'all. So we have days like that, and when you're not feeling it, you got to be a little more cautious. It's not much, but you know, it's better than a kick in the teeth. I would not say that that is my favorite hour and a half of trading I've ever had. I was distracted a lot. It's the first day of school. I feel like I'm going through, let me come up with all the excuses I can for you. I was distracted. It's the first day of school. The kids have been running around this morning. I've had to make sure my daughter made it back from Starbucks and Chick-fil-A that she wanted to. This blah, blah, blah. Those are all excuses. Anyway, it goes, my mind wasn't totally in it. 4 points on a Monday morning when it was moving like molasses. I moved my risks in a little bit tight, a little bit of fear base, just the way it was moving, going into those areas, feeling really tight. Had I held them out a little bit longer, may have been a different story. But it is what it is. I'm gonna be proud of what I did. It sure beats what I did many years ago, which was try and force things to happen, hold on longer than I should have, all those kind of things. Even back in the day when I used to move my risk bigger. Not no more. All right, guys. We're going to wrap that up. I hope everybody has a fantastic Monday. We do have FOMC this week, so be aware. And as always, guys, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.